Hi everyone and welcome back to today's morning report with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec Markets for Monday the 10th of March. We're going to move on to this cable chart now for sterling dollar, and the cable chart has actually seen a little bit of downside pressure in the early hours of European trading today. This is the daily chart of cable. Now you've seen, I think, what you'd say is a series of lower highs, a couple of lower highs in place, 66.15, 66.38, and I still think that these are levels that you need to be watching out for. The fact that that's a positive move, it sort of still reaffirms the fact that you've got this nice consolidation. It's sort of still posting a couple of higher lows in place there, and these momentum indicators are slightly corrective, you'd argue, but still in bullish configuration. So I'm looking at the bulls to support this one still, well above that 66 big figure level, sort of, which actually still continues to be the 38.2% retracement of that move from 62.50 up towards 68.22. Anyway, on an intraday basis, that move there has actually, in the last few minutes, has actually now broken the intraday uptrend which has been seen. So the fact that you're also below that 67 pivot level that I like to think of is as being a bit of a watershed as well, I think that this is a pretty negative near-term development for cable, and it may suggest that certainly depending on how this move goes today, 66.49 is the initial support it needs to stay above, but that 66.38, which was that day low from the 4th, that will certainly need to stay intact to continue that sequence of higher lows on the daily chart. But you've got that, as I said, this breakdown of that pivot level now below that 67 big figure mark, which is a little bit concerning now, I think. And certainly now I think the bulls will have to come and support this fairly quickly to maintain this bullish outlook, and certainly need to contain above that 66.38 mark to hold on for the positive outlook. But this move, I think, at the moment is, as I said, very near term is negative. You might see a little bit of a bounce, but I think the European trading session has been negative for this cable chart and putting pressure onto the downside. So you'd probably be looking out for any sort of bounces as a near term opportunity to sell if you're going to be day trading this. May see that pressure back towards 66.38 that we're looking at for today. But I think that could be now the important level, 66.38, we need to be watching. The momentum indicators have turned bearish actually on the intraday basis. This RSI has now gone into actually oversold territory, so you may see a bounce, but negative configuration nonetheless. Also the MACD lines are below the zero as well, so near term, very, very near term, this cable chart is under pressure. Anyway, I wish you good luck in your trading on cable today, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.